for men, I want you to understand this, to know that this is us. I mean, this is us. And I want you to feel less alone. And know that you're not a creepy, perverted freak because of your sexual nature. I want you to know, men, that you're normal. It takes a very, very out there on the edge fetish for you to be really freaky about sex. A little bit later, I'll be reading you a list of the types of things that men want to view on the internet. It's pretty surprising. It'll probably flip out some men even though so many of us know what's really on the internet. All men will relate to many of the items that I read, but no man will relate to all of them. So I don't care if you're wanting to learn about anal prostate massages or if you're wishing your lady would dress up in a sexy cheerleader outfit. You're normal. The whole point here is how beautiful of an experience this can all be if you share it with a partner openly. Approaching men this way will bring you closer. I want to put into perspective how powerful it is to share the true nature of what a man experiences sexually. When it comes to pornography addiction, first of all, I'm not here to judge or critique this problem. Porn addiction is a massive problem that reduces a man's ability to be present and fully alive sexually with his female partner. It actually prevents him from bringing all his powerful male sexuality and libido to the bedroom. But what happens is that he doesn't know where to place all this sexual intensity because relationship communication problems start and because there's often a huge disconnect with a man and woman understanding each other sexually. But because of the hidden world of male sexuality, I want to point out that the way to greater depth with your romantic partner is by letting her in on your experience. I have stepped several men through healing pornography addiction with, 12-step programs, self-control, behavior modification, and it fails 8 out of 10 times with multiple years of work. For the couples that have the courage to discuss and heal porn addiction, I have simply stepped them through the one thing that changes the brain wiring for a man with porn addiction. Bring the porn into the relationship. Now that creates all sorts of new potential problems. Believe me, I'm aware. Some women are repulsed by porn. Some women are neutral about porn, and some actually like it. Not a lot, but some do. In my private practice, I have close to a 90% success rate with this method of helping couples talk about it and ultimately view porn together. Now, think about this. Why does this work? If you have the good fortune to be able to communicate this with your lady and you're received by her, it reduces the shame of porn addiction like nothing else will.